Red Thursday and Apple's leading us lower, what used to be my favorite company. Now we're on the brink of a recession in technicality, but I think we're going much lower. This 5G is not doing nearly what Apple said it was going to do. So, time for 6G? I don't think so. I think we're going much lower across stocks. What's the next one? Probably Microsoft. Microsoft is very used to having stable earnings, but what if they don't? What if Apple misses earnings? We're talking about multiples going in now, and you're talking about big tech breaking down without the earnings coming down. What if the earnings are not what they expect them to be? That's a really scary thought when you're talking about the market. So, oil's up, the VIX is up. We're looking at a stagflationary environment. We are absolutely going into recession. There's no doubt about it in my mind. Euro stocks, they have to be worried too. They don't look so bad, but they will get bad. I'm looking at a 3200 here as for Euro stocks, and those Euro banks, whether it's Credit Suisse or UBS, they have a lot of these swaps on their books, and now they're in liquidation territory. That's what's bringing us lower. Let's look at the DAX again. They have banks too that have a lot of, you know, assets on their balance sheet. A lot of big tech across the world. Wherever you look, everyone's been making big tech for the past decade. They're bellwethers, and now we're talking about Apple getting absolutely crushed. It's at support now, so it's bouncing in the past 15 minutes, but, well, I think we can go much lower for 125 possibly. My least favorite big tech by far is Facebook. I like Google marginally better, but I think Facebook's going to be in the single digit. I mean, not single digits, hopefully not single digits. But I think it's going to go below $100, which is a lot of more downside for here. That's a lot of market cap to be lost. Let's look at Google, because these things are going to be moving together and they're bouncing at support. But guys, I would trade this. I would stock replace. Take your Apple shares. If you have 100 of them, sell them. Buy an Apple Leap so that you can lose, $600 on an Apple Leap, but you are not taking all the downside in the world, because there's a lot of market cap to be lost.